Good afternoon, everyone. Chris Button here. Today's walk around is on the 2019 RAV4 LE upgrade package. This is the first one to land here at the dealership, so it just made sense for me to do a video on it. Again, this is the brand new redesigned RAV4. It's gonna have nice features such as Apple CarPlay, the new TNGA Platform, Toyota new global architecture, which allows for an 8-speed automatic transmission, 203 horsepower, all good things. Cargo capacity has always been a strong selling feature of the RAV4. Here's a quick look at it, and both the back seats fold down flat as well. Toyota has these nice handles here on both sides for closing it, nice and easy. For the back seat, you do have your nice armrest here and just a good amount of space throughout, nice and comfy. And you do have a nice little tray here. There's just a side look of the RAV4, sharp looking vehicle indeed. As we make our way into the front. Very nice. One of my favorite features on the RAV4, and this feature goes back quite a long time, windshield wiper de-icer. When ice and snow gets built up on your front wiper blades, push that button and it will get rid of it for you. So as I was mentioning, blind spot monitor system is a new feature for RAV4 LE. When that guy illuminates, it's telling you that someone's in your blind spot, so definitely a safety feature for sure. It also has rear cross traffic alert, so when you're backing out of a parking stall and pedestrians or vehicles are coming towards you, beep, 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 it will let you know. For the display, audio provides Bluetooth capability as well as backup camera. Handy because you can actually tell where the RAV4 ends, and the red line tells you you're 1.5 feet away from whatever's behind you. As we make our way down, nice big knobs, Toyota quality fit and finish, heated seats, USB audio input along with a nice tray. Now, these are some new features for the RAV4. This first guy is your brake hold feature. Definitely started with the Lexus brand and is now making its way to Toyota, which is great. So on the dash right now, when I push the hold button, you can see the green hold, which tells us that the feature is on. Now, when I go and put the vehicle into drive, and you now see the orange hold, now the feature is activated. So when I take my foot, I know it's a little bit hard to see, when I take my foot off the brake, we're not going anywhere. So it's a handy feature when you get to a red light or when you're waiting for the train to pass. It gives your leg a nice break. When I go and tap the accelerator pedal, now we're in motion. When I come to my next complete stop, feature re-engages, take my foot off the brake, not going anywhere. Awesome feature. So that's brake hold. You also have a few different driving modes, eco, normal, and sport, as well as multi-terrain select. Again, new feature for the 2019 RAVs. And here is just a cool look around the vehicle. So yeah, this is the brand new redesigned Toyota RAV4. This is the LE upgrade package. Thanks so much for watching.